Hello my paper crafting family, welcome to the Valentine's edition, card edition of Paper and Joy. Today we are going to be making this threaded ribbon Valentine's Day card. So let's go and see what's in your packs and get crafting. Okay, so in your packs you will get your card base, which I've already pre-cut with the threading holes, a red envelope, this heart template which we're going to use, which has some sentiment options, and this beautifully textured paper, and also some ribbon as well. You will also need a glue stick, a pair of scissors, pencil, and some scrap paper for gluing. Alright, let's get crafting. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is thread our ribbon through the top and the bottom threading holes. What we want is the ribbon to be on the top edge there. So we're just going to work that, so I guess in first, I guess that's the trick. In and then up. And now the ribbon does have a front and a back. It's more curled over slightly, so slightly curved from the top and slightly curved under on the bottom edge. So look, it does look the same both sides really when you think about it, so if you get it wrong, doesn't matter. But yeah, it does have a top and a bottom. Right, so just thread that through. So, up, down. Oops. Making sure that you keep it flat and don't twist it. As you can see, I've just frayed the end. We're going to trim the end when we glue, so don't be too worried if you do the same as me. And a final up. There we go. So just pull it through so there's like just a little overhang there, because we're going to glue and trim that, and then trim a little overhang on this side. Okay, and then you can grab your glue stick, the paper, and just put, using the edge of the glue stick, so we're just having a little strip that's about the same width as the ribbon. Just use that and push that down. And again on this edge, so just run a little strip of glue. You can see that little strip there. So just about the ribbon width, just pull it, make sure it's pulled taut, and give it a press. Alright, and then do the same for the bottom edge. So we're again going down, then coming up. Alright, I will see you when you finish that. There we go, so I've finished my threading, so I'm just going to do my gluing again. Again, a little strip of glue, give it a press. And the other side, just make sure the ribbon's nice and taut. And give it another press. Now with our final bit of ribbon, we're going to make a bow, and that's going to hang down there, and we're going to attach our sentiment hearts to that. So get your ribbon in half and make a bow. And adjust your loops to make it a size that looks nice on your card. We're going to stick the knot bit of the ribbon on this little section here. So put it down and just sort of size that up in terms of your loops. So it's just a little bit big for me. There we go. I think I like that. Okay. Grab your glue stick, or if you've got a little bit of PVA glue, you can put a dab on there instead. But yeah, glue stick works fine. It's also a bit better if you also do both surfaces like that. And then give that a press. Okay, and then we'll get on to the next bit. So while our ribbon is drying, we're going to do our sentiment pieces. So you can choose, I've got 4 different sentiments for you. Got with love, happy Valentine's Day, sending love, or love you. So you can choose which combo you would like, and cut those out. Just thinking, which one will I do? I might do with love. Okay, when you're cutting this, we're going to be cutting inside the grey printed line, so we don't want a border on this. So just carefully cut in the line so we don't see any grey. Okay. Alright, so do your second heart as well, and I'll see you then. There we go, so I've got both my hearts cut out. Now we're going to cut the large heart, which is our template. So this one doesn't matter whether we're cutting outside or inside the border. I find it easier to cut outside when we're just doing a template. Okay, then grab your paper and turn it over, and then we're going to use the template to draw the hearts. If you've got a soft lead pencil rather than a mechanical pencil, that can work a little bit better on this quite dark coloured red. But if a mechanical pencil is all you've got, there we go. It does actually work. Okay, and then another one. I'm doing it quite close because then we can, if you'd like to have a heart on the inside of your card, you can do that. You've got a bit of extra paper do that. If you don't have to, because we do have the ribbon going through the card, so that's sort of like the inside feature that you can see. So yeah, that's up to you. All right, I will cut these out and I will see you when I'm done. Okay, so there we have our 2 background heart pieces and our sentiment pieces. So grab your piece of scrap paper, because we're going to stick these on top now. So just put some glue on the back of the sentiment piece, and also a little bit on the paper just to help, because it's a bit bumpy with the textured metal, just to help it glue and stick. And also your second piece. Oops. There we go. Okay. Now we're going to get our card back. And we're just going to trim, now that the glue's dry, we're going to trim our ribbon. See, that looks nice with the threading inside, but like you say, if you wanted to make a heart for the inside, or maybe some little hearts, you could use like one of these little ones as a template and put a little heart sort of in the corner there with your spare red paper. That's fine. Alright, so turn your card over and just with your sharp scissors, because ribbon's always best cut with sharp scissors, otherwise you do get fraying. Trim those bits off. And carefully trim these bits as well, without cutting your bow. Okay, there we go. Now we may need to chop the ribbon a little bit, because it might be a bit long. We'll just see, put it down and see how we're going. Okay. Yeah, I'm just going to take a little bit off the ends. There, place it there. Okay, so grab your glue, just glue those. Popping your ribbon piece in place. It just sticks under there. The glue holds all that down. Nice press. And the same with your final heart. Where you would like that. There. There we go, a nice threaded ribbon Valentine's Day card, or just, you know, for someone that you care about. Doesn't have to be Valentine's Day. Yeah, we've got the beautiful threading inside and outside as well. All right, hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you next time.